Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to minimize a window in Windows 10 quickly and easily, so you can manage your desktop efficiently. Method 1. Using the Minimize button. Step 1. Open the window you want to minimize. This can be any application or folder that is currently open on your screen. Step 2. Locate the Minimize button at the top right corner of the window. It looks like a small dash or underscore and is next to the Maximize and Close buttons. Step 3. Click the Minimize button once to minimize the window. This will hide the window from view and send it to the taskbar, keeping your desktop clean. Method 2. Using File Explorer. Step 1. Open File Explorer and navigate to the window you want to minimize. This works for any folder or file window you have open. Step 2. Right-click on the window or its title bar. This will open a context menu with several options for managing the window. Step 3. Select the Minimize option from the context menu. The window will immediately be minimized and appear on the taskbar for easy access later. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.